Hey, can you do an interview for me? Oh, it's facing the wrong way. Why'd you put it in Portugal? What are we doing?
I'm a Luigi, I'm gonna win.
It's me, Mario. Let's go. Hey, it's me, Mario.
I'm a Luigi, I'm gonna win.
Whoa. Let's go. It's me, Mario. Whoa. I'm definitely gonna stack it. On this longboard, man, I can't control this thing. I'm getting used to it. That's what we should do, Dave. Change the dollar for a photo. Let's go. Get me through this. Hey! It's a me, Mario! It's a me, Mario! Oh man, I'm so tired. Huh? The longer one's actually pretty fun. Let's hire bikes to go back. Wow, it scared the shit out of me. Stop editing.
We need a photo of us doing a jumping thing.
Come on, guys. There's a river right here.
What'd she say?
Come on, guys. There's a river right here.
Uh-oh. It's me, Mario! How far is the pier? It's far, it's still far, hey?
Yeah, you don't.
We don't want to go that far, right? Kinda would love some nice cold water. It did get warm. But let's hitch a ride back.
Keep going for 10 minutes?
Yeah, but remember that's 10 minutes, we've got to come back.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Does this extend at all? Does this extend at all?
No.
Okay, go. Go. Get some speed. Come on, right behind you. Oh, I hit something. I'm coming. All right, coming up behind you.
It's me, Mario.
I'm a Luigi. I'm gonna win.
It's me, Mario.
I'm gonna win. I'm exhausted. Gotta give you some B-roll cutaways.
Hey, it's me, Mario.
I'm a Luigi. I'm gonna win. I found her. I found the princess. Guys, I found the princess. There she is. It's Princess Peach.
Did it work? Did it work?
Not sure. I found the princess. Still recording.
So there's the Santa Monica Pier up there. Man, am I thirsty.
I'm gonna win.
It's me, Mario. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's go to the pier and get a drink. I'm thirsty. Well, Mario and Luigi, we made it all the way to Santa Monica Pier where we said we wouldn't go to. Happy hour. Well, we made it to the destination and we got our cup.
It's the Star Cup. It's the
Star Cup. It's the Star Cup, everyone.
Look at the stars on the top.
What's it for? Every club, every month.
Guys, I won. Look at the cup I won. I won the MLS Cup.
Ah, the MLS Cup. Luigi, he's powering up. I'm a Mario. I'm a wild Luigi. Whoa. Luigi's had a rest. Mario's had a rest. Now we're gonna skate back. Like. I think you gotta pay for the ride. Zip me up, bro! Zip me up, bro!
Pull your bum down. Pull your bum down.
Oh, I got it. Oh, there we go. Get her, she escaped.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, they've got a cool camera. Hey! Oh, it's another Mario! Hey, it's a baby Mario!
Baby Mario!
Hey!
My nephews.
Hey! Let's see if you can see me. Hey, son! Hey, son! It's me, your dad! It's your dad! It's your papa! It's your papa, Mario! It's your papa! Hey, it's your papa! It's your real papa! He still hasn't seen me! I don't think he's seen me yet.
Does play Mario Kart though.
There he goes. Now I think he's seen me. Yo! Hey! Nice one, brother.
Have a blessing, bro.
You too. Mario! Hey! You want a high five? Alright, how do I do it?
Jump and do like a run.
Go, buddy! Yeah! Do this. Put your fist up. Put your fist in the air. What do you want a fist bump? Yeah. Yeah, and a high five? Yeah, buddy.
High five for Luigi.
Luigi! Yeah!
One more. Yeah, go.
Yeah! Oh, that's awesome.
You guys have a blessing. Happy holidays.
I'm ready. Yep. I'll just take I'll just take heaps because I can smash him.
I don't know how to do it. Ready?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's good. That's very good. Your face is a little funny, but the pose is perfect. Which one do you want? I can take a longboard. We're heading back. We got a decent skate ahead of us. Luigi and Mario. Found my long lost son, baby Mario. I don't know if you appreciated my joke. The longboard's growing on me. Plan is to hitch a ride, Luigi. Here we go. Princess Peach, help me! Princess Peach!
Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh no! Get her! Yes!
There we go.
Yoo-hoo! Thank you! Woohoo!
Get a mushroom.
This guy's just providing the vibes for everyone on the beach.
The wind is coming this way now.
So what? Yeah, I know. I told you, man. We waited there too long and the wind changed. Slingshot. Yeah! Sucker. That's okay, I'm the main character. Luigi never gets his own game. Are you ever here about Super Luigi World? No, you're only here at Super Mario World. Is it the Super Luigi Brothers or is it Super Mario Brothers? The worst accent. It's me, Mario. It's me, Mario. G'day. How's it going? How's it going? Hey, let's go! It's me, Mario. I'm gonna win. Woohoo! Woohoo! It's me, Mario. Yahoo! Yahoo! Hey! Oh! Let's go. Do a kickflip. Oh!
Question, what's your costume? Baby shark. Baby shark.
Baby shark! Oh! Baby shark on a skateboard.
And wait, what's your costume? I'm just kidding. You should have done, what's another duo that's good? From video game world.
Homer and Marge should have done.
Yeah, that's Popeye and Olive. That's also good.
Sonic and Tails?
Compliment. Olive is beautiful. Like Popeye. I am, look. Yeah. That's cute. Okay,
Yeah.
next time.
I got you, bro. I certainly. It's tiring being Mario. Go to a spin class? Go to a spin class? Well, that guy's booking it. Can you just park up here and stay? Go Ducks! Hey!
There he was, Emilio Estevez, the Mighty Ducks guy.
Emilio! go! This chick is vibing. Should Luigi go dance with the random? Oh, Luigi's gone back. Oh no, Luigi. Oh no, Luigi found Princess Peach. And we gotta go back because Luigi found his Princess Peach. So my last day here. Take shot. Ah. What the fuck? Go, go, go! Yeah. Hey, it's me, Mario!
Yay, mate, mate, just mate, mate.
Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah! He threw the gridiron to me and I caught it, threw it back. Happy Halloween! Let's go! Hey! We're coming up to Venice Beach skate park over there.
We got Hardy Patali's.
Yeah. Thank you, officer. Santa! Hey! Happy Halloween! It would have been cool. Whoa, sorry. You're good. Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's the board I fell off earlier this week. It's really hard to push on the sand. My shoes are not getting any grip. Not a bad way to spend the last day in Venice. The last day in LA, no, USA. Till next time. This sucks, man. Why'd you choose this route? Get off the sand, bro. Why is he going that way? Which way is he gonna go? And he's off.